Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie's car outfit on Press. So I actually don't know what shoes she is wearing, but I'm gonna just do the best I can. So I use this blonde hair, this like braided hair in this color. Position it the same, rotate the X to 0.72. Then I used this short hair in the same blonde color. Toggle it to the short one. Position the Y 0.53, Z 0.49. Rotated the X to 0.35, Y 0.36, and scaled it to 0.47. Select this hat here. I know it's not exactly the same, it doesn't have cherries, but select this hat and color it this color, FFB1CA. And then for the second one, I did use this pattern. Position the Y at 0.47, Z 0.48, rotate the X to 0.48, and scaled it to 0.57. For the outfit, use this in just collar, and color it the same pink color for everything. Then we're going to use these sleeves here. I think I might do top only for this one actually. And then I'm going to use this outfit too in that same color. And then for the final piece, we're just going to use these heels because I don't know what heels she actually uses. So yeah, that is it. No VIP needed for this one. Oh, and also don't forget the heart-shaped earrings. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!